Hello all. Today, as a part of our product management series, we will start deep diving the topic project versus product thinking, and will ultimately, like which path will ultimately lead you to the success. So let's start. I hope my screen is visible to all of you. So, as a part of this session, we will be covering definitely what is the difference between project and product mindset. I will try to explain this with real time analogy so that it gives you more clarity. We will also discuss what is embracing the product mindset from product mindset perspective. Now, the last I will also discuss that why outcomes matter more than outcomes. So let's start. So come with what is the difference between project and product mindset. So if you are learning product management or preparing for interviews, so there will be chances that you will be asked about the differences between project and product management questions for sure. So interviewers often either pose this question directly or present scenarios to understand your understanding of these two approaches. So in our product management series, we will be starting with this critical topic, as I mentioned earlier, to build a solid foundation of your knowledge on this matter. So to start with this, I will say that project mindset often focuses on delivering the project on time and within scope. But completing a project does not always mean that you are delivering the real value to the customer. So I can remember one proverb is like project ends, but customer needs don't. Right. So a project a product mindset on the other hand ensures that there is a continuous improvement and the customer satisfaction is always on top priority for a product mindset. Okay, so project just to give another example of a project mindset is like if you say that the suppose there is some medical surgery was going on, and we at the end the doctor said that the operation was successful but the patient died. So as a patient, or if you say as a customer, will it give you any value to you? No, right? So will you consider it a success? No, right? So just delivering the output is not always enough if it doesn't give you a value at the end of the day, or it doesn't meet your need at the end of the day. So to with that, let us deep dive this concept with more real-time analogies. Now, the next thing I have tried to make you understanding. I have taken an example of constructing a house versus creating a home. Okay, so project mindset is maybe you want to construct a house. So your builder build a house based on your maybe initial requirement, and once it is delivered, the construction team moves on. Right, the developers, the big projects, the developer once they complete all their projects, they then hand it over to the customer. Right now, after handing over to the customer, suppose as a customer you have bought that house in a society, or you have bought a flat in a society, and you find that um, you need a bigger kitchen. So it will be very difficult for you at this stage, right, to make that adjustment because it is too late. But for your developer, they were only for them it is like it is our project is to deliver the handover by so and so date to the customer um, after building the house. So for them maybe the project is completed, but for you as a customer, is your purpose solved? No. right? Because for you, it is not a house, it is a home. And we all understand the difference between a house and a home. So a product mindset is, if your developer, when they are constructing the house, keep on engaging yourself, like all the customers, and give them the progress of the work, that this is the structure, this is we are doing, do you require any changes, whatever possible in that particular skeleton. They are doing that, they are taking your feedback also, because at the end of the day, you are investing the money to your home, right? So if they show this kind of gesture, then you can say that this is a perfect example of a product mindset, where the customer needs are their top priority. So at very early stage from the plan, maybe you as a customer can think that, yeah, this is the thing that I want. But gradually when you experience, you might change your mind, you might understand some other aspect of your home that you were not aware at the time you were booking it. Right. So focusing on the long-term satisfaction, not just the daily. So what is our key takeaway is that customer don't need just a house. They want a great living experience. That is your product mindset, right? Now, let's take another example of delivering the food versus serving the right meal. So we all, most of us love to eat burger, right? So I have taken that example. So suppose a restaurant that delivers perfectly made a veg burger on time, okay? But the customer is non-vegetarian. So they only heard that this customer needs a burger and they prepared it, and it's a vegetarian restaurant, or they misunderstood the needs and they prepared a veg burger. So they have followed all the steps which that needs to be followed for to prepare the burger, and they have served it. So for them, we have delivered. That is the project for them. For you as a customer, will you like it? Will you be able to, will you like to pay for it? No, right? Because you are non-vegetarian. Your preference matters. You like chicken burger, maybe. So even though the task was completed correctly, but the outcome failed, right? So delivering on time means nothing if the customer needs are not met. Doesn't matter at the end of the day, right? Because the value is not there. I as a non-vegetarian customer, I don't like it. I will not eat it probably. So this is, but as a restaurant owner or the manager who are taking the order, if they could have asked you, okay, you want a burger, that most of the cases restaurant does actually. So just to give you an understanding, I am giving this example that, okay, what type of burger you want, vegetarian or non-vegetarian? If you are go with the non-vegetarian chicken, or you want mutton or any like egg or something, what toppings you know, sorry, you love to eat. So all this area, if they asked you, if they before delivering that or serving that, that is the product mindset, I can say, for that restaurant owner, or who are working, the waiters, or the others who are taking the order. So that is the product mindset. Hope I was able to give you some clarification that why project mindset is good, but why product mindset is required. So that I believe that with these analogies, I was able to give you. Now, coming to the next a slide, that why why embracing a product mindset as a product manager or a product owner from like start to end is important. Okay, so when you are kind of focusing on improvement and customer needs, you will notice that your way of questioning actually shifts. So instead of asking, when will this be delivered, you will start asking that, how can we enhance this to serve you better. For you, discovering that part will be more important than just to delivering that product to the customer. So this change in mindset, I will say that in from my experience, transforms your approach as a product owner or manager from simply completing the task to continuously delivering value. So from delivery to discovery, this mindset is very important. Okay, for you, then delivery will not be important until and unless you are delivering or you are discovering the actual need of the customer. So you will see that instead of asking that are we on track to complete the planned scope, you will ask that are we solving the right problem for the customer? Is my understanding correct? Are we investing in the right path? Those will be your prioritizing, those things will be more important for you as a product owner, product manager. Now, if I come to the next one, that why outcomes matter more than outcomes. Because as I mentioned, that project is based on outcome, what you are delivering. But product mindset is based on what value you are delivering, whether your customer is satisfied or not. So by uh, like with project mindset and product mindset, your outcome, like by outcome will be more output will be more valuable than output. Why? Because when you will shift your mindset, you will see, you will realize that the real success is not just about keeping your team fully like occupied or like just delivering the product. It is like how effectively the work enhances the customer experience and deliver the real value. The real value is your output. Okay. So I will say, I will like to take another example because we often like misunderstood between outcome and output, and sometimes we use it as a synonym, but no, they are different. So let me give you another example, another analogy, so that you understand that why outcome matters most. So suppose imagine there is a car manufacturer company, and that company exactly producing the vehicle as per the blueprint. Okay, and they are on schedule, they are within the budget. However, the car is not uh, kind of comfortable to drive, or it is inefficient, or it doesn't meet at the end of the day the customer expectation. So simply it won't sell, right? So regardless of how perfectly it was built, um, it will not the market value will be not that much if the customer doesn't like it, right? So similarly in product development also, I will say that simply delivering the project, as I like to reiterating again, that simply delivering a project as planned is not enough. So real success comes from ensuring it solves the right problem and delivers the real value to the users. So I believe that with all this explanation, I was able to give you clarity on why product mindset nowadays is most important. So to prepare this I have taken help from Google in some cases that I have mentioned in the reference column as well. And I have shared in the throughout the session several real-time examples to illustrate the difference between project mindset and the product mindset. And I hope that this session was valuable to all of you. So now it's your turn to reflect and let us know, do you measure the success by project completion, or what impact your product is giving to the real-time customer, or you measure the both? So I will say, please share your thought in the comment section. Thank you.